Can anyone explain to me how this guy made $40 million from one product? Do you actually believe it? Well, whether you believe it or not, it's possible. It's just product and sale. But it's a 38-minute long video and I don't have time for it. So I used my AI application and basically broke down the video into multiple tiny pieces. And what I found, it's boring. Two guys talking. So just for you guys, I went ahead and used my custom GPT to analyze the whole video. And guess what? He has a 5-step process. You will love step number 4. Made me fall in love with this system. The first step is boring, research and planning. But the second step is expensive, setting up your store. It's also technical. Step 3, create a strong marketing funnel. Not at all beginner friendly. Step number 4, launch and promote your product. Now about launching, the video actually suggests to use Meta, Facebook and Instagram for initial visibility. That's what I love, because paid advertisement is expensive and risky for beginners. However, these steps are not beginner friendly. On top of that, we analyzed strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats in this business. The threats are really bad. Constantly changing algorithms on social media platforms and market saturation. Not good for beginners. And another weakness of this business is that it requires technical knowledge and marketing skill that most beginners don't have. Of course, it's competitive and highly dependent on platforms like expensive Shopify and Meta. Well, e-commerce is real but not recommended for beginners. And that's why we don't do this. What we do is simple. We use AI to learn skills just like this one. And then we use our skills and information to make simple videos just like this one. We publish our videos for free on social media sites. They send all free traffic to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling of high-ticket products and we earn $500 in passive affiliate commission. The best part, all these funnel and technical stuff are 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.